This entire project started because of my coffee cup on a trip. I decided I'd buy some pretty cups, and I needed it to be a holder for my project. So I picked out a pretty feed sack to match that cup. And I used a glass to draw a circle, cut out that circle, 2 pieces, right sides together. Then I stitched around the perimeter of that circle because I want to put my filling in the middle so that I don't have to close an opening. So now I cut out of the middle a slit, and now I'm going to fill it with crushed walnut shells. I do cut around the curve. And now fill it with crushed walnut shells, and then I put a little bit of cotton fluff on the top just to close it up. I cut a piece of fusible stabilizer, made sort of a patch, and then I ironed that patch onto that slit. You see I've got a little bit of cotton there just to fill up the rest of it. I took that patch and I ironed it onto the slit. So that sealed it. And now from the top, it looks beautiful. I've just got a round filled little circle pincushion. It's about 1/2 inch, maybe 3/4 inch tall. And now I decided to take floss to tighten it up a little bit. And I made just those little pie shapes, wrap it around, stitch it, put a button in the middle. I hot glued the pincushion to the lid. I did cut out the little hole. I've got my pins and needles in it, and now I can put my scissors in that little hole. And look, it's all contained. Okay, watch this. So I've glued this so it's sturdy, so this can go on as the lid, right? So then I have all my little projects, and I could put one pincushion and thread, and I could put my scissors. This would be great for airplane, car. Okay, so I've got my beads hooked onto there. I'm in progress of beading this. So then I could just roll this up, stick this in here, put the lid on. Oh my gosh. And then I've got a to-go project. Then I'm ready to work on it. I take the lid off, take my project out. I put the lid on like this. And I've got my pincushion and all my things inside. Okay, I don't know, this was just fun. This is gonna work for me in the car. I love it. Oh yeah, and then you can put your scissors right in there so you have them handy. Oh yeah.